one of the big conversations we had in the symposium, and I've had in other venues where I've participated, is how do we deal with the issues of space debris. As many of you are aware, through decades of launches into space, there's now a great deal of material that really doesn't serve any purpose up there. It's kind of space junk in a way, and how we deal with that is hugely important. It has the potential, and indeed in years past we've had collisions between active satellites and satellites that are no longer operating and therefore no longer controllable. That creates additional debris, which in turn cascades and in ways that aren't helpful to satellites, particularly in low Earth orbit where it's a real challenge. We've had to maneuver the space station on occasion to avoid some of the space debris. The space shuttle, when it was flying, was routinely getting nicks in the windshield, just like you do in your car behind a gravel truck in Atlanta, due to flecks of paint that were literally traveling at 17,000 miles an hour. And so how we deal with that, to get rid of that and to ensure that we protect this environment, just as we are concerned about the ocean and the air, we need to be concerned about the space as well, and find ways just first to stop putting that junk on orbit, but also ultimately to figure out how to remove that and ensure that we can have the benefits of low Earth orbit satellites for decades and generations to come. That's one of the things that was reinforced here in our conversations at this symposium.